Today we decided to make treacle scones, a Scottish classic and a favourite in our house.
You will need 1 pound of self-raising flour, 2 ounces of margarine, 2 tablespoons of treacle, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice and half a pint of skimmed milk. The equipment you will need: a set of scales, a large bowl, a measuring jug and a baking tray. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit. I started by weighing out a pound of self-raising flour and then tipped it into the bowl. To that I added 1.5 tablespoons of sugar and a teaspoon of mixed spice, then mixed them together. After weighing and adding the marge to the flour mixture, I rubbed it in using my hands, making sure to lift it high to incorporate plenty of air, till the mixture resembles fine breadcrumbs. Next it's time for the 2 tablespoons of treacle. I dipped my spoon into hot water so it came off easier. Using a butter knife, roughly mix it through the dry ingredients. Then slowly add milk until it forms a firm dough, using more or less milk until you reach the desired consistency. Tip the mixture onto a lightly floured surface and give it a final mix with your hands, working it as little as possible so not to toughen the dough. Again, using your hands, flatten out to about half an inch thick. Lightly flour your baking tray. Then use desired cutter to cut as many as you can. Then reform and flatten again till all the mixture is gone. Then place it into the preheated oven. Bake for approximately 12 to 15 minutes till a light golden brown and hollow sounding when tapped on the base. Remove from the baking tray onto a cooling wire, but they are best eaten warm with a wee slice of butter. If you give this recipe a try, please let us know how you get on. And if you enjoyed it, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.